In this video, I'll show you how to flip or invert a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the home screen, tap New Project, then choose the video you want to edit from your gallery or media folder. After selecting the video, tap Add to bring it into the editing timeline. Once your video appears on the timeline, tap on the video clip to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the editing options appear at the bottom of the screen. To flip the video, look for the Edit option in the toolbar. Tap on it, then choose Mirror or Flip, depending on the version of CapCut you're using. This will instantly flip your video horizontally, which means the left side becomes the right side and the right side becomes the left side. If you want to rotate or invert the video instead, use the Rotate option. Each time you tap Rotate, the video turns by 90 degrees. Keep tapping until the video is facing the direction you want. After flipping or rotating your video, preview it by pressing the play button. Make sure the video looks correct and that nothing important is cut off or facing the wrong way. If needed, you can also adjust the size of the video by pinching in or out on the preview screen. This helps you fit the flipped video properly inside the frame. Once everything looks good, tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video quality, then wait for CapCut to save the edited video to your device. And that's how you flip or invert a video in CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.